There she goes. Well, that's the London Bridge. That's the London Bridge right there. We're on the canal. Lake Havasu. We started way up there. Nice little mallard. Look at the nice little mallard. Well, we found the other end of the channel opens up into the lake again. And they got looks like a free breakfast and water or something happening here. Some more snowbirds. What time is it?
They do that, and the rentals on this.
That way, Mark. She's at the end of the table. Can you see? Yeah.
Well, we had a nice free breakfast, coffee and pancakes up over there. They put it on every spring break. They've been doing it for 10 years. Now we're going to head back down the channel. There, I'm paddling, honey.
But with that thing to drink.
Oh.
Beer. That is a golf course. You can inside.
Yep. No, hey. Don't be pushing me around.
Watch where you're going then.
Well, it's the end of the channel, but we're going to kayak around to our campground, I think. Out through the lake. Try that. Right. We're just going to go across and see what the name of that campground is. It's on the island across from the canal here. Got some nice big units parked in there. Oop, a little shaky. No, I don't think so.